I do recognize there is excellence in Endava. There's excellence obviously in the tech world around us. And excellence to me, it really is hard work. All that effort I already mentioned, it's about perseverance. It's about consistency, delivering to same standards, same level over a period of time. And again, excellence translates into satisfaction at the receiving end. I've developed on the backbone of the Boy Scout role, all that goodness a developer knows about. I started there. So basically, my story again tells the fact that sticking to those values, taking them to the next level throughout your career, throughout the experiences you're facing, kind of gives you the recipe for success. I constantly keep pushing to understand more, look beneath the surface, try understand the architecture patterns, try understand the processes, try understand people, as I said before. It's just that will of becoming better what you do. I'm highly motivated by the fact that the products and the solutions I work on make it to production, make it to life. I'm very interested in how those solutions perform in real-life terms, and all feedback I gather from that help me calibrate towards any future similar scenarios or designing any future similar scenarios, and it kind of boosts up my confidence. There's many of them. You've got the obvious artificial intelligence, which is pretty mature already. You've got quite a bit of effort going on in the virtual reality space, the green/sustainable technology. They're all going to continue this trend in the coming years. My view is that it's not the technology that is going to change the world. It's actually the way we operate technology.